Automatic settings allow for hands-free grinding. Chamber cleaning system. The chamber cleaning system twists to help you clean the grounds from the chamber walls. 5 grind settings. 5 grind settings let you customize your grind to fine, medium, or coarse. Removable grinding chamber. Removable grinding chamber makes cleaning easy and mess-free. 4 to 12 cup selector. The 4 to 12 cup selector allows you to grind only what you need for fresh coffee grounds every time. Cord storage. Cord storage allows for convenient storing. Safety switch. The lid-activated safety switch allows grinding only when the lid is locked. Stainless steel blades. Grinding technology uses sharp stainless steel blades for quick results. Automatic shutoff. Automatically shuts off when grinding is complete. Ask any true coffee aficionado, there's nothing like the flavor of coffee made from freshly ground coffee beans. Experience this flavor in the comfort of your own home with the Mr. Coffee Multi-Grind 12-Cup Automatic Coffee Grinder. Its powerful stainless steel blades and automatic settings allow for efficient, hands-free grinding. The chamber cleaning system twists to make it easy to clean the grounds from the chamber walls, and the removable grinding chamber also makes cleaning easy and mess-free. With 5 grind settings, it's easy to customize your grind to fine, medium, or coarse. The Mr. Coffee Multi-Grind Coffee Grinder has a 4 to 12 cup selector, so you can grind only what you need. This coffee grinder also features a lid-activated safety switch that allows grinding only when the lid is locked, and the coffee grinding machine automatically shuts off when grinding is complete. Top reviews from the United States. Great value and product. The grinder is a great value. Detachable blade/cup for easy pouring of coffee grind. The noise that people complain about is natural for a grinder.